Alrighty guys, here's how we go live on GoPro. We're going to open the Quik app. We're going to go over here and press the GoPro and find our camera. We'll then turn on our hotspot and then go to preview. From preview, we'll go over here to the right and click on the live button and then click Facebook. It'll take us to this screen right here where we'll set everything up and connect to the Wi-Fi from the hotspot. Describe our video, which will be the P Ridge tailgate. I'm a terrible typer. Go down here and we'll set to 720p since we're going to be still and stationary. And set it to public so that everybody can watch it. From there, we'll hit continue. We'll copy that and bring it over to Facebook and make a post. Title it. I'm terrible at typing. And then go back to the Quik app. We'll hit go live. And then it should come alive, and then next thing you know, you have a live stream.